Good morning, fifth grade. So yesterday you took your mid-mod assessment for day one. Now, a lot of you guys got incorrect answers because you didn't read the directions or read the question fully. For instance, on this first question, it says, how can you find volume? Select all that apply. Now, if you had read the intro, you would have found out. I can count cubes. I can do base area times height, length times width times height. Those are the three answers you should have chosen. Some of you guys were looking at length, so I must choose this, but it's a plus sign. So that's incorrect. Please read the directions. This one I know is a little bit tricky. Remember, it's not square, it's cubic. Anything with volume is cubic because you're multiplying three things together. Length, width, and height. 3, so cubic. Another thing I want to point out was reading the directions all the way. This question did not ask you what is the volume of this rectangle. This question asked you, did Jack find the correct volume? Why or why not? Explain if Jack was correct and what strategy he was using to solve. So in this instance, he did 5 times 8 to get 40, and then he added 43 times. What you should have said is, when he multiplied 5 times 8, he found the base area of this side. He added 3 times because adding 3 times is the same thing as multiplying by 3. So instead of viewing it like this, he viewed his rectangular prism like this. He knew his height was 3 and his base area was 40. So he just did it a little bit differently. He found base area and then added it 3 times or multiplied by 3. Now, today you guys have another end of your assessment. It's another 15 points. Remembering, I went back through and I made sure that individuals got the correct amount of points. For your last one, I'll give you your entire mid-mod assessment grade together from all 30 points at the end of tomorrow. But looking at this one, don't find the volume. Label the length, the width, and the height. Then you find the volume. Looking at this one, you need to find the height of something when given the volume in the base area. Remember, if I have volume, base area, and I need to find my height, I'm going to do the opposite operation. My height is going to be volume divided by base area. That's a tricky thing we keep forgetting. You then have a volume of an irregular prism. Remember, find the volume of each piece and then add them together. So in this one, it's just saying, how would you find the volume? Don't find the volume. What strategy would you use? And then find your volume. Additionally, another missing piece. So remember back to this. Finally, read this piece carefully. There are dimensions here. However, the question is asking you something very specific. Do not just look at the picture and solve. And then finally, finish this, but answer in a complete question. Again, it's saying why or why not. You guys should be answering all these in complete sentences, making sure that you are clearly stating why or why not. Good luck, fifth grade.